looking for a powerful image editing software that can help you enhance your digital images? Look no further than Photoshop. Developed by Adobe, Photoshop is a popular software that provides a wide range of tools and features to help you manipulate and enhance your images. Whether you're a photographer, graphic designer, or digital artist, Photoshop has something for everyone. With its intuitive interface and powerful tools, you can easily crop and resize images, adjust colors and exposure, remove blemishes or unwanted objects, apply filters and effects, create digital artwork, and much more. So why wait? Start exploring the world of Photoshop today and take your digital images to the next level. And if you have any specific questions or need help with a particular task, don't hesitate to ask.